see, Mama.
Don't you want to save one, Jay? Oh, you have 2 left. I guess you could open one.
Me? I have 2 left.
It's you! Yeah. Yes. I was gonna spend my birthday my birthday money on it. I was like, wait. What is it?
See, I made this so that you wouldn't know what it was.
What the heck?
I taped that box on there. Hang on, Drew. You're doing yours at the same time?
Wait.
Oh.
Oh, are you ukulele? What is it?
Here.
Wait, do I have
Is it a
one
ukulele?
left? Do I have 1 or 2?
I think you have 2, Jay.
I said a ukulele.
Okay.
Really? What is it? Is it one of those little guitars? Here it comes with the case. And what is it? What is it, dude?
Yeah, Julia.
I don't know what it is. I know it's
Empty hat.
that little guitar thing. Oh, how do you open this? It's like packaged. Is this how you put it in? Okay then. That's kind of weird.
Whoa.
This is. Oh, it's so cute. Phil should be sad now. Yeah, Phil by Phil. Is it a mini guitar?
It's a guitalele.
I don't know how to say it, but it's a ukulele, but it's a guitar.
It's a guitar and
A
it's a ukulele / guitar.
Okay, open it. Me? Okay, here.
And who's that from, Julia?
I don't know. I think it's in the Tooth Fairy. So.
Okay.
Careful, mommy.
Yeah.
What's funny is that was already sitting under the tree when we went to the Guitar Center, and you were like, "You can get me this for Christmas."
Really?
Yeah, when we went into the Guitar Center, and you picked that up.
Thank you. Yes, I knew.
What did the Tooth Fairy get you?
Polaroid, what I wanted.
What is that, a camera?
It's a Polaroid, instant
Yeah.
camera.
Yeah.
that-
Thank you so much.
But it's a updated, new.
Yeah, I know.
Thank you. You do what I wanted before.